Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility. Your TV must support HDR10 and a 4K signal. Once connected to the correct Ps5 HDMI port with a high-speed or ultra cable, go to Settings Screen and Video and enable 4K output. Next, make sure the TV's HDR mode is active so the console can detect it. You do this because the Ps5 only sends HDR metadata when both ends negotiate 4K/HDR handshake successfully. And that handshake is essential for correct color and brightness. Once done with basic enabling, run the Ps5 HDR calibration wizard. You'll follow on-screen patches to set peak brightness and align black levels. The wizard explains why each patch matters. While calibrating, make sure to use the TV picture mode that doesn't clip highlights, usually game or HDR movie, and adjust TV brightness and tone mapping to match the Ps5 prompts. Also set RGB range and deep color output to auto, or manually choose full/YCBCR4. 4 when your TV recommends it, because correct color space. To finish, test HDR with games known for HDR support and a demo video. You want to see brighter highlights and deeper blacks together. If HDR doesn't appear, first toggle 4K and HDR off and on in Ps5 settings, then try another HDMI cable or the alternate HDMI port because cables and ports often break the handshake. If problems persist, reboot the console, update TV firmware, and as a last resort, reset Ps5 video settings. You do this because software bugs and stale edit information commonly block HDR negotiation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.